Welcome everyone to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to perform a ZTE router password change. And if you have forgotten your ZTE router admin password, I will show you how to also perform a ZTE router factory reset. Alright, I will be using this ZTE K10 router to show you how to do these. Let's go to my laptop screen. Alright, now I will connect to the SSID or Wi-Fi signal of my ZTE router. It's connecting. Now it's connected. I enter the IP address of the ZTE router. Now I'm in. I will go to this option, modify login password. So now I will enter the current password of this ZTE router. Now I will choose a new password for the ZTE router. And I have successfully performed the ZTE router password change. Now, if you forgot your ZTE router admin password, I want to show you how to perform a ZTE router factory reset. Now, this is the ZTE router again, and I have a pin here. So let's move to the back, and this is the reset button. I am going to press and hold for 10 seconds. So watch. Now let's observe the lights. Now the factory reset of this ZTE router is in effect. Let's leave it to boot up fully. And I want to encourage you guys at this point to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like what you are watching right now, you will be notified instantly. Thank you. Our ZTE router is almost fully booted. Now the router is up. And this is how to perform a ZTE router factory reset if you forgot your ZTE router admin password. And after now, when you go back to log in into the user interface, you first enter the default password of the SSID that came with your ZTE router, and then the default admin password for the router. And for this ZTE router, it is admin, A-D-M-I-N. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.